Let's solve one beautiful math question in the easiest way. Ready? But before we start, try this question in your mind. You got it? Now, what's the easiest method to solve it so that you will never lose here again? We have given 12 plus 8 divided by 4 into 3. Here to solve this we are going to use BODMAS rule, that is brackets, operations, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So as per the BODMAS rule hierarchy, using this in this question, 12 plus 8 divided by 4 into 3, first we are going to divide. So 12 plus 8 divided by 4 becomes 2, so 12 plus 2 into 3. Then again as per the hierarchy we have to do multiplication. 3 into 2 is nothing but 6, so 12 plus 6 becomes 18. So the answer is 18. If you found this video helpful, hit a like and share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. We'll meet in a new interesting video.